now, Sanju Verma, you can respond to that, and you can respond on the basis of what Mr. Khera has said. He has pointed a chronology, to use words that your BJP president used in another context, a chronology that suggests that this was a deal that was fixed for the benefit of Anil Ambani in advance. On the 25th of May, 15 days earlier, Ambani already signs a deal with Dassault and then gets the benefit 15 days later. Now respond.
I heard it.
Yeah, please go ahead.
And Rajdeep, you did not interrupt Pawan Khera even once. He's spoken for almost 9 minutes.
3 minutes, 3.5, but go ahead.
No. I counted it. He's spoken for 9 minutes, not 3 minutes. Please don't lie, at least on this count. Let me now answer Mr. Khera very categorically.
I'll interrupt.
First,
yeah, go ahead.
First and foremost, Rajdeep, a 3-judge bench led by Ranjan Gogoi and Justices S.K. Kaul and A.M. Joseph in 2019 categorically said 2 things. A, there is no commercial favoritism by the Modi government in the Rafale deal. And point number 2, there was enough to suggest that the national defense apparatus had been compromised under the Congress-led UPA, because from the mandated squadron strength of 42 in the Indian Air Force, our squadron strength had come down to less than 30. So the Rafale deal was absolutely necessary to counter an attack on 2 fronts. Now coming to the question of cost, and this, Rajdeep, your audience needs to hear very clearly. Now there are 3 important people who have spoken about the cost. The Congress signed a defense procurement purchase order, but it was not a deal in 2013. Now Eric Trappier, the CEO of Dassault, said that if you compare the 36 aircraft which we will be providing India in a flyaway condition with the 18 aircraft we were supposed to provide in a flyaway condition to the UPA, then the cost is more or less the same. In fact, I'm quoting Eric Trappier. He said because it's a bulk purchase order by the Modi government of 36 aircraft in flyaway condition in one go, I have given them a 9% rebate compared to the original pricing agreement that was struck between Dassault and the UPA. Now I will come to the CAG report. The CAG report says 2 things. It says there are 2 kinds of deal. One, the plain vanilla deal. If you compare just plain vanilla Rafale that was negotiated by the UPA and plain vanilla under Modi government, then the Modi government actually drove a hard bargain, and there was a saving of 2.86% by the Modi government compared to the deal that the UPA wanted to strike. But the CAG says one very important thing, and this is by way of a submission to the Supreme Court. The Comptroller and Auditor General, CAG, says that if you compare the Rafale with India-specific enhancements, with maintenance support, additional weaponry, additional cost of training personnel, and additional simulator support with the original UPA deal, then the Modi government has actually saved, compared to the UPA deal, 17.08%.
Ma'am, these were arguments that were made earlier. You're not answering the new details. Ma'am, the new details of Anil Ambani signing up with Dassault 15 days before the Prime Minister goes to France.
I'm coming to that.
Please come to that. Please come to that. Because this is all what you've mentioned so far, you've already said before the court. Please come on this. Please come on this, ma'am. You're running away from this.
I'm not running away.
Please,
why should I run away?
Please focus on this thing.
I'm not a journalist who engages in hit and run tactics.
Please
I'm
do
the
it.
national spokesperson of the world's largest political party.
Good.
I don't need to run away.
Please tell me that.
Let me tell you now. Please, Rajdeep, I will just take 2 more minutes.
Yes.
So let us be very clear. The deal with India-specific enhancement struck by the Modi government is 17.08% cheaper compared to the negotiation that the UPA was engaging in. Now let us talk about Anil Ambani. Everybody says, including an ignorant Prashant Bhushan, Rajdeep, I'm sorry for the harsh language, that Modi government gave the deal to Anil Ambani, who had set up his company, Reliance Defense, just a couple of months before the deal was struck. Now, I did some homework And you can check this with anybody you want. This is also by way of a submission to the Supreme Court. Reliance Defense, owned by Anil Ambani, had taken over Pipavav Defense. Pipavav Defense is the other name of Pipavav Shipyard, which has been engaged in defense systems and building naval warships, you know, since when? 1997. It is just that Pipavav Shipyard.
You're not answering my
name was
question.
changed
How did
to
Anil
Reliance
Ambani,
Defense.
25th of March, sign a deal with Dassault, which then when the Prime Minister goes to France,
Can I finish?
15... No. You must answer
Can I
this.
finish?
I have limited time to both. I've given equal time. You're not answering my
I'm
question.
going to answer. No, you have still not given me as much time as you gave to
Okay,
Pavan Khera. No,
go
I'm
ahead.
answering your question. I'm answering your question. So let me first tell you, Anil Ambani's firm was not a new firm. Reliance Defense
How
is the
did
new
Anil
name of
Ambani
Pipavav
get?
Shipyard.
How did Anil Ambani sign up with Dassault 15 days before he gets this deal? He
Can I
obviously
please
knew that
buy
the
you?
deal would be changed.
Can I finish? Rajdeep Sardesai, you're a journalist. Don't you have even an iota of patience to listen to the truth?
Because you're not
Or you
answering
are
my
used to-
question. No, ma'am, if you don't
I'm
answer my
answering your
question, I will persist.
Stop interrupting.
I will
answer.
persist
Now
till you
stop
answer my
interrupting.
question. You're not answering it.
I'm answering. Listen now. Listen for 1 minute without interrupting. I know it's tough for you, but listen. Anil Ambani, as I told you, was not given a contract by the Modi government. Anyone with a basic iota of common sense knows that it is the original equipment manufacturer. And Arun Jaitley said as much on the floor of the House, and then Nirmala Sitharaman said as much on the floor of the House. B.S. Dhannoa said this. Y.A. Tipnis, who had commanded India during the Kargil war, said this, that it is the OEM manufacturer, Dassault in this case, which decided on Anil Ambani. And do you know something, Rajdeep? What was the
Francois
total size
Hollande,
of the offsets?
Francois
One
Hollande,
last
the
point.
French president,
Last
has gone on
point.
record to
Last
say he
point.
was told to sign
Let
up
me
with
tell you
Anil
one
Ambani.
last point.
France-
What was the size? Okay, Rajdeep, one last point. What
Yes.
was the size of the offset? 30,000 crore. Out of 30,000 crore offset size, 25,000 crore went to DRDO.
Rajdeep,
How much did Anil Ambani
more
get?
time will she
Anil
take?
Ambani
You've
got
given us
less
6 minutes
than
now.
800 crores.
Okay.
Anil Ambani got
Ma'am,
less than
wait,
20%
Pavan, just a
of the
minute.
total offset.
Okay,
Anil
whatever-
Ambani got less
okay,
than
that's your
3% of the
argument.
total offset.
Okay, you're saying he got just 800 crore. Producer now, let's go to Pavan Khera.
got 25,000 crore.
Okay.
The lion's share of the offsets
Please.
went to their DRDO.
Producer, you made your